Hi, I'm going to talk about Ledispavir and Sofosbuvir for 8 or 12 weeks for a chronic HCV without cirrhosis. HCV is cytomegalovirus. Definition: Sofosbuvir gene designs an oral nucleotide analog inhibition for the HBC-specific NS5B polymerase. Has recently been approved for the treatment of chronic HCV infection. The treatment was applicable for 8 to 12 weeks. Had rare potential virologic response was observed among patients with hepatitis C virus HCV infection who received 12 weeks of treatment with the nucleotide polymerase inhibitor for sofosbuvir combined with the NS5A inhibitor Ledispavir. This study examined 8 weeks of the treatment with this regimen. Applications in medicine. Patients with HCV and type 1 infection who have cirrhosis to receive Ledispavir and sofosbuvir for 8 weeks, Ledispavir sofosbuvir plus ribavirin for 8 weeks, or Ledispavir sofosbuvir for 12 weeks. The primary endpoint was sustained virologic response at 12 weeks after the end of therapy. This video talks about
hepatitis C, made simple. Hepatitis C. Know your status. You may not have heard much about hepatitis C, but it is more common than HIV. And like HIV, it does not discriminate. If someone is exposed to the virus, they are at risk. In the United States, 4 times as many people are infected with hepatitis C compared to HIV. Signs and symptoms of hepatitis C. Some people with hepatitis C do not experience any symptoms. However, when a person is infected, they may feel tired or have other temporary symptoms. Sometimes, the body can get rid of the virus on its own. If the body isn't able to clear hepatitis C after the initial infection, then the virus goes into the long-term or chronic phase of infection. You never know when hepatitis C will get worse, but the chronic phase is a serious condition that can lead to serious liver diseases like cirrhosis or liver cancer. When the liver is severely damaged, it can't do its job and can lead to liver failure. People with liver failure may experience symptoms like itchiness, confusion, swelling of the belly and feet, and a yellowing of the skin and whites of the eyes, also known as jaundice.
For more information about this video, visit my page. Okay, continue for the exposition. Advantage and disadvantage. I compare with the rate of sustained virologic response in the group that received 8 weeks of Ledispavir sofosbuvir. The rate in the 12-week group was 1 percentage point higher, and the rate in the group that received 8 weeks of Ledispavir and sofosbuvir with ribavirin was 1 percentage point lower. This result indicates non-inferiority for the 8 weeks Ledispavir sofosbuvir regimen of the basic of not-reading margin of 12 weeks percentage points. Adverse events were more common in the group that received ribavirin than in the other 2 groups. No patient who received 8 weeks for only Ledispavir and sofosbuvir continued the treatment about the adverse events. Okay, this is a hepatitis C patient prediction for life-saving drug combination.
Well, first report contacted with hepatitis C, a deadly disease, say pharmaceutical companies have the drug that can save their lives. So they claim one company is putting profit ahead of people, and they've launched a petition drive to speed up clinical trials. Wendy Weaver joins us live in the newsroom with this story. Wendy?
Hepatitis C is a virus that attacks the liver. It's the #1 reason for liver transplants in the U.S., and it now kills more people than AIDS. Margaret Dudley of San Antonio is a woman on a mission. More than a decade ago, she had permanent cosmetic tattooing. Last fall, she was tested for hepatitis C, a deadly disease she believes she contracted from the tattoos.
You know, I had no idea. I had no reason to think it would come back positive, but it did.
The hepatitis C virus hides out in the liver. Over the years, cysts form and scar tissue forms, causing cirrhosis or hardening of the liver. Tumors can develop and the liver can fail.
Take a deep breath in.
two promising pills from two different drug makers showed a 100% cure rate in early clinical trials when combined. One is from a company named Gilead and one from Bristol-Myers Squibb. But the companies have each invested millions and cannot agree on moving forward to get the winning combination to patients, which could save their lives. So that's
it's important to know that these patients don't have cirrhosis. Okay, disease is 1/2 to 3 where of the person currently infected with HSP have not received a diagnosis and are frightened. Many will have progression to the complex cirrhosis, hepatocellular carcinoma, and other liver complications. Early diagnosis and early administration to improve long-term health outcomes in this population. This is other video.
Here at Gilead Sciences, over 170 million hepatitis C virus sufferers and their families were ecstatic when you released the data at the past European Association for the Study of Liver Disease conference about the spectacular results achieved with the drug combination of your GS7977 and Bristol-Myers Ledispavir. It was nothing short of amazing. 100% cure rate in genotype 1 patients and 91% in genotype 3, and without the utilization of interferon or ribavir. Our prayers were finally answered, or so it seemed. Then, to our utter dismay and puzzlement, Gilead Sciences elected not to take these drugs into phase 3 trials. If recouping the investment of $11 billion and making profits are at the forefront of Gilead's considerations, it would seem that expediting these drugs to market would be the paramount concern. If Gilead Sciences is determined to move ahead without Bristol-Myers Squibb Ledispavir and elects to pursue drug trials of GS7977 plus ribavirin or their GS7977 plus their GS5885, along with the dreadful side effects, it is a